Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the Hisense U9N Mini-LED TV, a powerhouse in the world of large-screen home entertainment. This TV promises to redefine your viewing experience with its cutting-edge technology and impressive features. The Hisense U9N Mini-LED TV has been making waves, and for good reason. It's not just another big screen. It's a marvel of engineering designed to deliver stunning visuals and immersive sound. Let's break down what makes this TV stand out from the crowd. First off, let's talk design. The Hisense U9N boasts a sleek aluminum frame that houses its impressive 75-inch and 85-inch models. It's a bit bulkier than your average TV, but that's because it packs in side-firing speakers that deliver incredible sound quality. This means you might not even need a separate soundbar, thanks to its Dolby Atmos support and Cine Stage X surround sound. Moving on to the display technology, the U9N features a mini LED panel with a staggering 5,300 local dimming zones. This results in exceptional backlighting precision, minimizing light bleed and halo effects, especially noticeable when watching HDR content. With support for Dolby Vision, IMAX Enhanced, and HDR10+. You're guaranteed vivid colors and striking contrast that elevate your viewing experience to new heights. Now, let's talk performance. The Hisense U9N is all about brightness, boasting up to 5000 nits peak brightness. This translates to vibrant colors and clarity, whether you're watching the latest blockbuster or gaming in HDR. Speaking of gaming, it offers a competitive 15 milliseconds input latency and supports AMD FreeSync Premium Pro and VRR, making it a solid choice for gamers looking to immerse themselves in high-speed action. In terms of user experience, the U9N runs on Google TV, providing a seamless interface that's easy to navigate. Its wide viewing angle technology ensures that you get consistent color saturation even when viewing from off-center angles. Although its anti-glare coating could use a bit more improvement. To wrap things up, the Hisense U9N Mini-LED TV is more than just a display. It's a statement piece for your home entertainment setup. With its stunning picture quality, powerful sound, and gamer-friendly features, it sets a new standard for what a TV can offer in 2024. If you're looking to upgrade to one of the best TVs available this year, the Hisense U9N should definitely be on your radar. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth reviews on the latest tech. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay tuned for more insights into the world of consumer electronics.